Cosmic Chrome Early Bird 3520. We are full. Good luck, gentlemen. Dice roll 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, 5 here. Yanks up top. Dodgers at the bottom.
Oh, they are.
Almost had it. 1 short. 5 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, 5 here. Dustin up top. Matt Burney at the bottom.
Probably not the first time you've been called short.
Let's sort them out.
Probably more than 1 short though.
I mean, I'm not a very tall man, so. There's your squads, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It is hot in this room, man. The other night it was freaking freezing in here, and
They probably trimmed the. I'm gonna have to check the thermostat. They probably trimmed it.
good luck, guys. Cosmic Chrome Bird 3520. Let's go. And 1 box break there, guys. Chrome Cosmic Bird. Good luck, good luck. Getting maxes off, guys. If you missed on this one, 3521 on the site. Take your squads there. We also have 2 boxers loaded on the site. Those are 25 per. Again, those 2 boxers, guys, it's just as good of a deal as the early bird, if you think about it. 13 for the bird for a 1 boxer, 25 for a 2 boxer. So take your squads in those 2 boxers as well. Again, take your squads in the half case. First half case was absolutely loaded. Good luck on the bird, guys. Here we go. Starting out with Nathaniel Lowe. Got Blue Luis Sarai. Sorry, Luis. /99 on the Luis. Nice hit there. Going to the Marlins. Miami Marlins and Dustin Waters /99. Gunnar Henderson, extraterrestrial talent for the Orioles. Padres star clusters. Kyle Tucker on the refractor. Gunnar Henderson, rookie. Pena, Witt Jr., and Julio Rodriguez. Let me see who has those teams. Astros for Tom Hall. Royals for Barry. And Mariners for Mike Maloney. That'll be a random. We got another one, man. These planetary pursuits just keep hopping out. And a 1 boxer, we still hit 1. Aaron Judge, the Sun, planetary pursuit for the Yanks. Good grief. We can't stop hitting them. Aaron Judge, the Sun. He's got those Yankees. Dustin Waters. There you go, Dustin. Aaron Judge, the Sun. Planetary pursuit. Kyle Schwarber, extraterrestrial. Carlos Rodon on the scope. Alec Boehm on the refractor. Astros, star clusters, Ruiz on the rook. Nolan Gorman, rookie for the Cardinals. Jazz Chisholm, extraterrestrial. Scope, Jacob deGrom. Seager. On the Rangers team card, Sanga. Bobby Witt Jr. launched into orbit. Those are sweet. They're good looking cards, guys. There's no doubt on that. Kyle Stowers. Kershaw, Christopher Morel on the rookie refractor for the Cubbies. Alex Verdugo. Last little stack here. Good luck. Seager Abrams. Diamondbacks Star Clusters. Neto Shohei Ohtani Extraterrestrial Talent. Valdez. Aaron Judge launched into orbit, and Dansby Swanson. You guys take your squads on the site. We'll do a quick recap here. Then we got one to random. Again, quick recap. Shohei Extraterrestrial. Aaron Judge, Morel, Bobby Witt, Aaron Judge, the Sun, Planetary Pursuit. These are super tough to hit. Gunnar Henderson, Luis /99. Again, we got to random this card. Let me pull up the randomizer. Again, that's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Who do we got on that card? Got Astros, Royals, and Mariners. Good luck on the random here, guys. Dice roll. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Mariners, 6 here, 6 here. Julio takes down that card. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.